Okay, no sooner than I hit save and publish and upload and all that stuff on the what I thought was the final lesson for this course, then I just see, I'll show it to you now too. There's a new feature on Instagram. Tap to type. So that's fun, which it is. I'm happy for them. They just couldn't wait at least a week. But anyways, now when you go to your story mode, or probably any camera mode for that matter, you can go over to type. And I'm happy that Instagram added new features. Features today. Change the color, change the style, typewriter, strong, modern, neon, typewriter, put a fancy background, change the alignment, strong, you can have it with the background or not, modern, neon. There we go, let's go with the typewriter. And then put a big nerd emoji there for fun. Make it center aligned. I know I'm missing the apostrophe, but deal with it. Next. Oh, I thought it would typewriter it on. Let's cancel that. Let's try this again. Tap to type. Typing something on Instagram. Okay. I guess it's not quite as interesting as I thought it was, actually. Keyboard typing is just... I thought actually it was going to animate on from the way that they were demoing it, but unless I'm missing something, that goes to my story. Let's just see what the story looks like. Yeah. So slightly less exciting than I thought originally, and basically it's just now you can type instead of also just adding normal text to your video, you can type on with fancy text. Enjoy. Eventually I'll update the stories section of the course, but for now this is in the addendums and updates. Have a great day.